Hi lads, Shield Forester here. I'm just going from work and a package waiting for me. So we'll do an unboxing. I've got a good idea who it's from. So down with. We've got address blanked out. No. Yeah, bought it. Right. Hi Molly, hope this hoodie fits you okay, my friend. I have put some extras in as it took me a while to post it to you. All the best, Forest Prepper. No problem, mate. I forgot about it actually, and I was quite prepared to pay for this. But being the bloke you are, you said you'd send me your address and I'll gift it to you. I much appreciated this, mate. I'm telling you. I never expected anything like this. US Army MRE Menu 7 beef brisket slices and seasoned gravy. I've not tried one of these actually, not a US Army one. I've had all the others, but I look forward to trying that, mate. Great stuff. What's we got in here? Oh, madman. We've got that. First aid kit. Great, mate. Come in handy, that. I'll have one in every pack. Bro, mate. Thanks. Cheers, mate, for that. Never have enough first aid kits available. More on the items. Glow sticks. Great stuff, mate. Yeah. Fire steel. That's funny that, because I was going to order a new one. Because I'm getting down my other one. Bro, mate. Right. Tabasco. That'll go well with the MRE, that. Right. The black bag. Pretty handy as well. Never ceases to amaze me, this YouTube community. The generosity between us all. I mean, I never asked for any of this. Quite prepared to pay for this. I like my hoodies, as you can tell. Spot on that, mate. That'll fit perfect, that. Forest Prepper. Bushcraft Prepping Survival. That's great, that, mate. That'll get somewhere. Well, I got Seppo. Thank you very much. appreciate them, mate. I owe you one. Anyway, I'll get squared up. Right, I'll catch you later, lads. Cheers for that, Paul. Bye.